Hello, welcome to the Analyst channel today. So in this tutorial, we'll be talking about Python. I'll be taking you through a Python project with the interview master in partnership with DataCamp. It's called the Python Summer Party Challenge. So it's a 15 days challenge, as you can see here. I participated in it about some months ago. So I'll be taking us through each and every day. So like you see here, we have 15 days, 15 different projects on the easy level, the medium level, the hard level. So where we'll be working with the Python to tackle challenges. Like for day one, I will see we're working with WhatsApp, and the analysis is WhatsApp group size engagement analysis. For this day, I'll be a product analyst on the WhatsApp team, investigating group messaging dynamics. So I've taken us through how I solved each and every one of them. So I want you to stay tuned while we go on. So from day one, we'll start from day one. Now, this is my certificate of completion for the project. So I'll be walking us through each and every one of them. So basically for this report, we'll be using the VS Code for running the analysis. So if you're not very familiar with using VS Code for running Python codes, kindly let me know in the comments. I'll do a video walkthrough on how to set up your Visual Studio Code for running Python projects. So let's get right in. So I have my database here. It's a WhatsApp group size engagement analysis. So on this day one, I'll be functioning as a product analyst on the WhatsApp team, investigating group messaging dynamics. So my team wants to understand how large groups are being used and their messaging patterns. So I will leverage data to uncover insights about group participation and communication behavior. So like I already have the database, different groups, dates were created, total messages per group, participants per group. So we have here. So if I should run this code, it has to give me a value here. So this code makes it know that okay, the code is run. So I have 3 questions here. Question 1. So I want to find out what is the maximum number of participants among WhatsApp groups that were created in October 2024. So the metric will help us understand the largest group size available. So I'm going to create a code cell. I start writing my code. So first of all, I will import the pandas. So PD. So PD is fine. So the first thing I want to do is to convert my dates to a date time. And so I have the dim group, which is my data frame. So the column is created dates, like we have here, created dates. So I'll convert it to date time. Yeah, we have it 30 cents. The brought out. Then I want the created dates. Yes, it's gonna be there. Dim group. Yeah, dim groups. Then the column is created dates. Yeah, something like this. So what this does is that it converts my dates, the created dates, to a date time. So currently it's a string, so I convert it to a date time, to a date and a date time actually. So the next thing I want to do, I want to filter for group created in October. So let me just put a comment top. So convert created date to the time. So I comment that, so I have an idea of what we're doing. So the next step I want to take is how to filter. Let's filter for groups created in October 2024. So let's know the groups created in October 2024. Like we can check here now. October is 10th month. So we have October. So this is October. This is October. This is October. This is not October. So this is October. So anyone that has 10 October. So we have some Novembers and Decembers. So I'm going to comment this. Sorry, run that. Okay, so question 2 is, what is the average number of participants in WhatsApp group that were created in October 2024? This will indicate the typical group size and inform our group messaging features consideration. So yes, since we're working with the October 2024, we already did that here. So I can actually call that here. Let me show you that. Let me just print it here so you see that. Instead of doing it again, October 2024. If you print this, you see that we have this here. So what do I need to do next now is to have the average number of participants. So how do I do that? So I will call it average participants is equal to the October group 24. So I'll access my participant counts. So I will use the mean function. The mean function calculates the average. So I think that's it. Then I'll just let's print out the average and see. It's good. Okay, 58.75. Now I want to add some text. Let's say the average participants for October 2024 is the comma this. So another thing I can do is to round up just to be in a more perfect shape. I can put in one decimal place. Let's see what that one decimal place will look like. So good. So let's make it 2 just to be excellent. Now question 3. Now the same thing applies. I have access to my October 2024 because we're looking at WhatsApp group that has more than 50 participants, but were created in October 2024. So what is the average number of messages sent? So like I can access my October 2024 group, which I have already. So what I want to do now is to now have more than 50 participants. So I'll put above October 24 50 above. So let's see this. So I'm working with this array now, not the dim groups. So okay, this array. Now I'm gonna impute a function that's dim groups 24. Then I'll access the what's it called, above 50 participants. So participant counts that is greater than 50. So that's it. So this tells me participant are greater than 50. Let's print it and see. So if we then we print this, we'll see the count are above 50. So now we want to get the average number of messages sent across this group. So I'll just put average message above 50 is equal to, so I'm going to have the October 50 above. I'm going to put it, I'm going to access the total message column, then I'll do the mean. Yeah, the mean, that's for average. So I'll just print out the average number of Now let's run this. So the average number of messages sent from WhatsApp group with 50 plus participants is 430. So if I want to round this up to a whole number without a decimal, I just put it as int. That's one way to do it. Put it as int, then around this. Now let's check. 430. 430. So let's try this. Good. So that's the end of this day one. Okay, so we are done with day one. Now for day two, we're looking at the Amazon challenge. So where I'll be working with Amazon as a product analyst on the Amazon sponsored advertisement team. So let's get right on. So the part 2 will be available by next week. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and follow me so that you could be a part of this 15 days challenge and learn something using a Python to run analysis, and also how to use VS Code with working with Python. Thank you very much.